Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 4 best screen recording apps for Android. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, ADV Screen Recorder. ADV Screen Recorder is one of the best applications to record your screen with high quality on Android. This application is available in the Play Store and can be downloaded for free. It helps you not only to record your screen but also serves you to record smooth and clear videos. You can also edit videos and make live streams directly from this application. Features of ADV Screen Recorder. Easy to use. Free to download. Supports high-quality video recordings. Allows to edit video in the application itself. Number 2, Mobizen Screen Recorder. Mobizen Screen Recorder is one of the best and most used screen recorder applications for Android users. This app is especially for Samsung users. It has around 100 million users across the globe. You can record your screen in the highest quality. Both the screen and face cam can be recorded at a time. Features of Mobizen Screen Recorder. Easy to use. It has 100 million users across the globe. Supports to record screen in full HD. You can record screen, capture video, and edit video in the application. Number 3, Rec. Rec is another best recording application that allows you to record screen of your Android device. This is flexible and fully compatible with all Android devices. It has an intuitive user interface. You can customize the recording settings like quality, resolution, and bitrate. This application is available in free and pro version. Features of Rec. Intuitive user interface. Allows to set your favorite settings as preset. Screen touch gestures can also be recorded. You can stop recording by shaking the device. Number 4, ADV Screen Recorder. ADV Screen Recorder is a free Android application that helps to record your screen in an easy way. This application has the best features to make your screen recording more effective. It allows you to record using 2 engines, default and advanced. You can also add text to the video while recording. Features of ADV Screen Recorder. Easy to use. It uses 2 engines for screen recording. Edit videos in the application itself. Allows to add text to the video while recording. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.